Okay, go ahead, read the question.
Harry and Angela looked from their balcony to a swimming pool below that is 15 meters from the bottom of their building. They estimate the balcony is 45 meters high and wonder how fast they would have to jump horizontally to succeed in reaching the pool. What is your answer?
Okay, so there's a balcony, there's a height above the ground that's 45 meters, and then the swimming pool starts at 15 meters out from the base of the building. In other words, if a person runs and jumps and they're too slow, they'll hit the pavement, and if they're just fast enough, they'll enter the pool like that. Okay? So the question is, how fast do they have to run? Right? Is that what the question is?
Yeah.
Okay. So the way all these problems go, the way that all these problems go is there's an x problem that we use the formula x is equal to v times
We
t.
decided to do that.
And then there's a y problem that goes
That's
half
for
ct
the
squared.
horizontal and that's for the vertical.
So then the question is, like, what are we solving for here, right? And the answer is speed. Because Riley said the question is how fast do they have to be running in order to make it to the pool.
So for each of those, you have to choose which equation to use.
Yeah, actually, for these problems, you have to use both equations every time.
Oh.
So it's going to look like this. It's going to say 15 meters along x. This is my x value because it's horizontal.
Oh, so we should draw it out. That would help us.
Yeah.
Draw out
Is equal to v
problems.
times t. And then you say to yourself, well, I can't solve for v because I don't know t.
I'm writing this problem.
And that's where the other equation comes in. So you say t. So watch this. So every time you do this, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to multiply both sides by 2, divide both sides by g, and take a square root. Because that, so basically the question is, like, how do you solve this equation for t? So if it says y equals 1/2 gt squared, you want to clear the 2 here by multiplying by 2. You want to clear the g here by dividing by g, and then you want to square root to So we have this equation for t. And that is what gets plugged into there, so we can then solve for the velocity. Okay, so the time,
Get a calculator on this, guys?
of course, yeah. So the time of flight is 2 times 45 meters divided by g, which I'm going to call it 10 just because I'm not using a calculator.
Are we allowed to use 10?
Yeah, and the reason why it's good to use 10 here, Ellie, the reason why it's good to use 10 here is because 2 times 45 is 90, divided by 10 is 3.
Oh, okay.
Which is 9, which square root of which is 3. So it's a perfect square, which is nice. So if it's 3 seconds, that's the time of flight that goes into our x equation. So the velocity is 15 divided by 3 and 5 meters per
So
second.
that's actually a very hard problem.
This is not a simple problem for sure, but
that
it is
be on the
definitely
test?
it is definitely, first of all, the kind of problem that will be on your test, and second of all, it's the same problem
How come
every
we've
single
never
time.
done that?
So we're going to have to do this every single time.
We have done this, so like we
Oh,
did
I
this.
know,
the
but
same
that's
one, just with a different word.
Yeah, exactly. We did this in the lab, and we've been talking about it, and this conceptual quiz here was all about that.
So
But
it's
now
not gonna
it's
be
time to
conceptual
like do a
tests?
little bit of math.
It's not
You're
really
just
going
going
to
to
be
need to write
conceptual.
this on our
There,
notes.
well, it'll be the vast majority will be conceptual, but I am going to ask you a math problem like this.
I'm writing down your video step by step.
Okay, great. Well, then
Can
I'm
I
gonna
copy this down, please?
I'm gonna pause this now.
Yeah.
Distance